Welcome back to Lake Living with Barb Coney. Today I participated in the International Wreath Challenge 2019. This has been hosted by Kiki DIYs, Chelle's Glam Home, Deco Easy, Style with Pat, Kentucky Fried Fun, MomDas Life Homemade. I walk around the lake almost every day. We pass a tree that has a face carved in it, and it inspired us to make a whimsical natural wreath. So I've gathered, my grandson and I went for a walk today, and we gathered some sticks and some, I believe those are from a pine cone. I thought they might make cute eyebrows. And we have our mask from the dollar store that we're going to glue the sticks onto that mask for Halloween. And I just wanted to show you this leaf. Look at the size of the leaves we have here at Winter Lake. This is a normal leaf. Look at the size of this leaf. They're humongous. So I've covered it with leaves. I've hot glued the leaves on, and now I'm going to start doing the sticks. I want to make a big nose and scary eyes. And so this is my finished project. He's a little creepier with all the beautiful fairies and the cute little garden that my mother has, but I just think he'll be so fun when kids walk by, and your just imagination can just go wild with who he is and what he does. Thanks for stopping by Lake Living with Barb Coney.